school right now, but tonight's gonna be fun. So it's like the first time we've actually been able to take the Nova out for real to the racetrack with the EFI. So it should be good. We finally, I think, have all the bugs and all the crap that we've been having to fight this last month and a half. That's all fixed now. So between the car not wanting to shift, hang on, close my vent wing. It's not as loud. Between the car not wanting to shift, that was literally the linkage, because it's on the column, so I have to shift it. And the linkage was hitting the last cylinder's header tube. You can actually see where it was hitting the contact, where the bolt was hitting. So we bent it back, and now it's perfectly clear and everything. So that's good. The new fuel pump works great, so it actually will want to RPM, won't want to die. Yeah, so it won't want to die now. There you go. That's better. What else do we do? So then the charging system, we were going to go out, but then the charging system was terrible. So then we had to fight with the alternator, because I think we went through 2 alternators. One was just bad, and then the other one we had to, because it was a different style of alternator that we had before. So we had to wire in a resistor, which it's literally just a light underneath the dash, just to make sure it's actually charging. But so now that we have all of that figured out, the Nova's running better than it's ever has. EFI is awesome. I would suggest you to buy some if you can. If you ever find some, I found a guy on Craigslist last couple of days ago selling a Holly Sniper for $750 with everything for it. I found a guy selling an FI Tech that I have, the same one I have, for $750, and it was literally everything with the command center module, which is that it gives you constant fuel pressure, like my Edelbrock fuel sump that I have in the Nova. It's a very similar setup. It's just FI Tech's version, and it allows you to run your normal fuel tank sump, and allows you to run a normal fuel pump, like off your engine block, like I do. But if you do that, you need to have a high volume fuel pump. You can't use your stock one if you're wanting to RPM the car. If you're staying below 4,000, it's great. But if you go above around 5,500 for more than 4 or 5 seconds, it's gonna run out of fuel. It's trying to keep fuel pressure, and it's going to go way lean on you, and that's what bad stuff happens when your car goes lean. So that's when you lose, you lose a piston, and then you lose a cylinder, and then the block breaks, and no one likes that. So so if you're going to use the EFI system, that's one thing that you need to look at. If you're going to use one of the fuel subs, or like the Edelbrock fuel sub kit, or the fuel FI Tech command center, because the instructions don't say any of that. All they say is that it wants a low pressure stock fuel pump on it, but it doesn't say how much volume it wants. So then when you call up FI Tech or Edelbrock, they'll tell you to need a high volume, but their instructions don't say that. So that's something to be cognizant of and aware of if you're ever going to be using one of those systems. At least at high RPM. If you're just using it to cruise, that's great, then you're just fine. But otherwise, if you're trying to actually race the car or be, happy-go-lucky out there, then you need to get a fuel cell.
See? 1928.